The 2024 Renault Espace represents a transformative moment for the brand, as it moves away from its minivan heritage to embrace the SUV format. This is a significant change for a model that has been around since 1984 and has seen various iterations, including a long partnership with Matra. The new Espace is essentially a reimagined version of the Austral compact crossover, but with a longer wheelbase and some design tweaks. What's interesting is that despite the trend of vehicles getting larger, the 2024 Espace has actually shrunk in dimensions compared to its predecessor, yet it offers more space in the third row. This is a commendable feat of engineering and design. Cargo space is another highlight of the 2024 Espace. The vehicle offers a highly flexible cargo area that can be accessed through a power tailgate. Depending on how the seats are configured, the cargo space can vary dramatically, offering up to 64.2 cubic feet when the second row is folded. This makes the Espace not just a people carrier, but also a highly practical vehicle for carrying goods. Additional storage spaces throughout the cabin add to its practicality. The interior of the new Espace is designed to enhance the feeling of spaciousness. One of the optional features that stand out is the massive glass roof, which not only lets in natural light but also adds to the sense of openness inside the cabin. The vehicle comes with multiple wheel size options and trim levels, including the top-of-the-line Esprit Alpine. Even the base model is well equipped, featuring a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12-inch touchscreen. Additional features like a 9.3-inch head-up display and multiple charging options make it a well-rounded package. Under the hood, the new Espace takes a bold step by eliminating the diesel engine option, a mainstay in previous models. Instead, it features a hybrid system that combines a turbocharged 1.3-liter gasoline engine with two electric motors. The system offers a total output of up to 200 horsepower, which is more than adequate for most driving conditions. This shift towards a hybrid system aligns with the growing emphasis on sustainability and fuel efficiency in the automotive industry. Speaking of fuel efficiency, the hybrid system in the new Espace is claimed to reduce fuel consumption by up to 40%. This is a significant achievement and makes the Espace one of the more fuel-efficient options in its segment. While it's not a performance-oriented vehicle, it offers decent acceleration and top speed, making it a balanced choice for those who prioritize efficiency without wanting to compromise too much on performance. The Espace also sets itself apart with its advanced multi-link rear suspension system. This is not something you find in every SUV, and it adds to the vehicle's overall driving dynamics. Another unique feature is the rear-wheel steering system, which enhances maneuverability by reducing the turning circle. This is particularly useful in city driving conditions where space is often limited. In terms of aesthetics, the new Espace borrows heavily from the Austral, featuring similar C-shaped LED headlights and a wide grille. However, it distinguishes itself with a more boxy appearance, longer rear overhang, and a more upright tailgate. The vehicle comes with standard 19-inch wheels, but 20-inch alloys are also available for those who prefer a more imposing stance. Additional design elements like a sizable roof spoiler and LED taillights add to the vehicle's modern look. The gloss black trim around the lower bumper gives it a slightly rugged appearance, which complements the overall design. Inside, the dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system and a digital driver's display, offering a high-tech driving experience. As of now, the 2024 Espace is only available in a full hybrid version, which employs a system similar to the one used in the Renault Austral. This system pairs a 1.2-liter petrol engine with an electric motor, offering a combined output of 200 horsepower. This makes it a compelling option for those looking for a balance of performance and efficiency. Finally, it's worth noting that the new Espace will soon be available for orders in Europe, although it won't be coming to the UK. This transformation of the Espace from a minivan to an SUV is part of Renault's broader strategy to reimagine its lineup, with other models like the Scenic also set to undergo similar transformations. Overall, the 2024 Renault Espace is a well-rounded vehicle that offers a blend of practicality, efficiency, and modern features, making it a strong contender in the competitive SUV market. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.